Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell next to it so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. You know I'm always glad that you come back and show some love. So if you want to know more about this unit that I'm wearing, make sure you stay tuned for all the details.
It's a bad man thing, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, so the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is this unit here, and it's from Jenna Collection. Now, it's been a long time since I've done a Jenna Collection wig on my channel. It has been a long time, but it is part of the Essentials collection, and I have it in the style Epic, and it's in the color Toffee Cream. And this is what the stock card looks like. Simple, nothing special. And this is a 100% hand tie with Swiss lace, and it's pre-plucked. It has a pre-plucked hairline. It has a HD high definition. So this is what she is looking like. Ooh, curls for days. Okay, when I tell you curls for days, curls for days. But this is what she's looking like for cap construction. She comes with two combs on the side, one comb in the back, in your cap construction. And it has a very, breathable mesh material. This is the parting space. So I'm gonna take this one off. This is a Bobby Boss unit. The review should be up, or it's coming up, so stay tuned. But I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put Epic on, and we'll be right back.
Wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. The sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you tryna fight, just come on. stop. Cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that.
Okay guys, so this is what Epic is looking like. After I have cut the list and I style her, and she's a lot of hair. She is a lot of hair. You definitely, like, the more you play with the curls and you finger detangle it, it's gonna get poofier and poofier. But you can take a hair mousse and just put it in there, and that should contain the hair, the curls, and make it a little smaller if that's what you want. But she is a lot of hair, and I feel like the parting space without, well, before I added the powder to it, it could have been, you know, plucked a little bit, and I could have done that, but I was being lazy and I didn't want to, so I didn't. But it definitely could have been wider because it was very tight in. But yeah, and then up here was poofy, so I took my hot comb and I just flattened it a little bit, you know. As you can see, she's like, this is a lot of hair. You gotta have the phase to rock it. I feel like if you don't have the right phase, it's gonna overpower you, and you definitely don't want your hair overpowering you. That's a no-no. But I love the curls and I love the color. This toffee cream, I am here for it. Like, tell me you're not here for it, because I am. It was shedding before I even cut the lace. When I put it on, as I ran my fingers through it, it was shedding. It wasn't a lot, but it still was. And the ends are definitely, this is a hair that you're gonna have to, like, trim it, cut the end, clip it, do whatever it is that you need to do, because it's gonna start looking a little rusty the more you wear it, and it will tangle on you. That's for sure. But other than that, I'm here for it, and the price is around $40, which is not bad. It's a little steep, depends on what you're working with, but I feel like it's worth it, you know, for the color and the style. I think it's worth it. So I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like all around.
Give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that.
So yeah, she's long too. Like, she is stopping me by my waist. Like, yeah, that's where she's stopping. She's pretty long, so she'll definitely be good for winter wear. If you live in a colder weather like I do, it will keep you warm with all the, you know. But yeah, so this is it for this video. Let's talk about Epic in the comment section. Tell me what you're thinking. Are you feeling her? Are you not? You know, let's chit chat. And make sure you follow me on social medias, on like Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I love your crowns, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.